Looking for an efficient and versatile air conditioning solution for your home or office? The HUMHOLD 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner with Heat Mode offers a powerful 4-in-1 unit that works as a cooler, heater, fan, and dehumidifier, ensuring comfort all year round. Check the price in the description below to see how affordable comfort can be. With its 14,000 BTU cooling capacity and 12,500 BTU heating power, it can effectively cover spaces from 550 to 700 square feet. Whether it's a hot summer day or chilly winter evening, this portable AC has you covered. The unit's smart features include cooling, heating, and dehumidifying modes, along with a 3-speed fan, giving you control over your environment no matter the season. Its self-evaporating system means no need to worry about draining water for daily use. However, if you place it in a humid environment like a basement, you can connect the included drain hose when needed. This portable air conditioner is designed for convenience. It comes with a remote control that allows you to operate it from up to 23 feet away. The front LED display touch panel and auto swing function provide even cooling and heating throughout the room. It also features a sleep mode to keep noise levels under 48 dB while ensuring you stay comfortable. With a 24-hour timer, you can set it to turn off at your convenience, saving energy while still keeping the room at a comfortable temperature. And installation is a breeze with the included window sealing kit and exhaust hose. The unit fits most windows, and you can set it up in just 3 simple steps. For those who need to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, the unit allows for easy switching via the remote or the touch panel. This HUMHOLD portable AC is designed to meet your cooling and heating needs, providing a quiet, efficient, and comfortable experience. Don't forget to check the price in the description below and see if this smart, multifunctional air conditioner is the right fit for your home or office today.